Hello students. Now today we will move to exercise 3b from decimals, as we have studied earlier from decimals exercise 3a. Today we will move to exercise 3b. Exercise 3b. We have to add the given decimal numbers. Okay, so question number 1 says 16 8 decimal 7 0 decimal 94 6 decimal 8 and 7 decimal 77. So before adding these given decimal numbers, we have to convert them in like decimals. Okay, so how many maximum numbers are there after decimals in any of the number? That is 2, 0 decimal 94 and 0 decimal 77, so 2 digits. So we have to convert 16 decimal 00, 8 decimal 70, 0 decimal 94, 6 decimal 80 and 7 decimal 77. Now we will add them. 16 decimal 00, 8 decimal 70, 0 decimal 94, 6 decimal 80 and 7 decimal 77. 1, that is 40 decimal 21. We can take some more questions. Question number 2. 2 is little bit different. 18 decimal 6, 206 decimal 37, 8 decimal 008, 26 decimal 4 and 6 decimal 9. So at first we have to convert them into like decimals. So how many maximum numbers? 3. So 18 decimal 600, 206 decimal 370, 8 decimal 008, 26 decimal 400 and 6 decimal 900. Okay, now we will add them. 18 decimal 600, 206 decimal 370, now 8 decimal 008, 26 decimal 400 and 6 decimal 900. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, all the 5 decimal numbers are written. Now 8, so that is your result, 266 decimal 278. Okay, next is to subtract. Subtract means reduce. Question number 9 says 14 decimal 79 from 72 decimal 43. It does mean that 14 decimal 79 is to be reduced from 72 decimal 43. So 72 decimal 43 reduces 14 decimal 79. Now 13, 4, here 3 will take 13. So 13, 6, here 1 will take 11, 11 minus 4, 7, here 6 minus 1, 5. So the result is 57 decimal 64. Number 15 is little bit different for you. Question number 15 says 2 decimal 5307 from 8. Okay. At first we have to make them in like decimals. So that is 2 decimal 5307 from 8 decimal 1 2 3 4 0 0 0 0. So now these both decimals are in like decimals. Now We have to reduce 2.5307 from 8. So 8 will be here, 8.0000 and 2.5307. Now we'll take one, that is 10, 10 minus 7, 3, that is 9, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 5, 4. Now 1 is gone, that is 7, 7 minus 2, 5. So the result is 5.4693 is your answer. One more question, question number 18 is different for you. Question number 18 says, what is to be added to 63.53 to get 92? Okay, so let's suppose x is added to 63.58 to get 92. Let x is added to 63.58 to get 92. So at first we have to make these two like decimals. So 63.58 here, 92.00. 92.00. Now x is added to 63.58. So 63.58 added to x gives you 9200.00. Okay, we same here. We will send 63.58 to other side. So 92.00 minus 63.58. Now we will reduce 63.58 from 92. So 9200, 63.58. Now we will take one from here. Sorry, one from here, 2. So that is 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 5, 4. Here 1 remains. We will take 11. So that 11 minus 3, 8. And now 8 minus 6, 2. That is 26.42 is to be added to 63.58 to give you 92. Okay, so question number 18 says, what is to be added to 63.58? We have solved it. Question number 19, what is to be subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.843? What is to be subtracted? You will do it. These questions are same. Question number 20 is also same. Question number 21 is different. By how much should 74.3 be decreased to get 26.87? Okay. By how much should 74.3 be decreased to get, means what is to be reduced from 74.3 to get 26.87? For the required result, we will reduce already 26.87 from 74.3 to get the required result. Okay, so the required number is 74.3 minus 26.87. We will convert them into like decimals. So 2 decimal places are here. We will put 1 0 here. So 26.87 is to be reduced from 74.30 to find out what number, what decimal will be reduced from this to get this. So 74.30, 26.87. Now here 10 minus 7, 3, 2, 12, 4. Now here 3, 13, 7. Here 6 to 4. So 47.43 is to be reduced from this to get this, as 26.87 is reduced from this to get this, vice versa, right? Now question number 22 says Rohit purchased a notebook for 23.75 rupees, pencil for 2.85 rupees, pen for 15.90 rupees. He gave a 50 rupee note to the shopkeeper. What amount did he get back? So the shopkeeper will add the cost of total items, right, and give the remaining money to Rohit. So at first we will have to add the cost of all the particulars what Rohit had bought from shopkeeper. So at first we will have to add the cost of pen, pencil and notebook, right? So total cost of notebook, pencil and pen. We have to add them. Rupees 23.75 plus rupees 2.85 plus rupees 15.90. So they are in like decimal. Simply we have to add them. 23.75, 2.85 and 15.90. 5, 5, 10. 1, 5, 2 is here, so 2 to 4, 5, 4, 9, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 42 rupees 50 paise is the total cost of notebook, pen, pencil and pen. Now Rohit has given 50 rupees note. So the shopkeeper will deduct 42.50 rupees from 50 rupees note and the rest of the money will be given to the Rohit. So money returned to Rohit will be rupees 50, which was given by Rohit to shopkeeper, and 42 rupees 50 paise was the total cost of the particulars the Rohit had bought from shopkeeper. So we will reduce 42.50 from rupees 50 minus rupees 42.50. Now 50.00, 42.50, we will reduce 0, we will take, that is 10, 10 minus 5, 5, 9, 9 minus 2, 7, and here 4 minus 4, nothing. So 7 rupees 50 paise is the money which was returned by shopkeeper to Rohit. So that is 7 rupees 50 paise will be your answer. Now the exercise is complete. So students, you will solve the remaining questions in your homework copy. Now further we will move to exercise 3C. Okay.